Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sinotec television to Wi-Fi. First, ensure your television is powered on and positioned within a good range of your wireless router. It is also crucial to have your Wi-Fi network's name, often called the SSID, and its corresponding password ready. Using your television's remote control, navigate to the main menu or the settings section to begin the process. Once you are in the Settings menu, locate and select the option labeled Network or Internet Settings. Within this section, you will need to choose Wireless or Wi-Fi as your desired connection type. After making this selection, your Sinotec television will automatically begin scanning for all available wireless networks in its vicinity, which usually takes only a few seconds. Now, from the list of detected networks, identify and select your specific home Wi-Fi network's name. Next, you will be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the on-screen keyboard and your remote control to carefully input the password. Double-check for any typos, then confirm the entered password and initiate the connection process to join your network. After a moment, a confirmation message should appear on your screen, indicating that your Sinotec television is successfully connected to the Wi-Fi network. To verify the connection, try opening a smart television application, such as a streaming service. If you encounter any issues, a good first step is to restart both your television and your Wi-Fi router, then attempt the connection process again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.